In the Reiner's murder case, the high-profile attorney representing Nick Reiner, who's charged with murdering his famous parents, withdraws from the case.
As CBS LA's Joy Benedict tells us, the move happened right before his arraignment.
We feel that we have no choice at this juncture but to withdraw as counsel and ask to be relieved.
Quite a shock inside a downtown courthouse as high-profile defense attorney Alan Jackson removed himself from Nick Reiner's defense.
Circumstances beyond our control, but more importantly, circumstances beyond Nick's control, have dictated that, sadly, it's made it impossible for us to continue our representation of Nick.
Wednesday was supposed to be Reiner's arraignment. He's accused of murdering his parents, beloved Hollywood director Rob Reiner and his wife, photographer Michelle Singer Reiner. But his now former attorney says he still stands by him.
Pursuant to the laws of this state, pursuant to the law in California, Nick Reiner is not guilty of murder.
How normal is this?
It's not uncommon.
Lou Shapiro is a criminal defense attorney not involved with this case.
He made the initial appearance on the arraignment. He felt that he was going to be contractually retained thereafter. Something got in the way of that, and therefore he had to withdraw today as counsel.
Do we think the problem was financial?
It most likely was financial.
It's not clear what sort of assets Nick Reiner had before the arrest. Shapiro says being accused of killing his parents makes any possible inheritance off limits.
There is a law that prevents an heir from receiving money if they kill their parents. So that could be something that got in the way.
Reiner's case was handed over to the public defender's office, which Shapiro says has a lot of experience with mental health defenses, which this may end up being. The Reiners were found murdered in their Brentwood home on December 14th. Nick Reiner was arrested a few hours later south of downtown. He was seen getting into a public argument with his father at a holiday party the night before his arrest and has had a public battle with substance abuse for years.
Did he not appreciate the difference between right and wrong, and therefore should go to a mental health institution rather than prison?
Regardless of who defends him, the LA County District Attorney says he stands by his office's case.
We are fully confident that a jury will convict Nick Reiner beyond a reasonable doubt of the brutal murders of his parents.
Joy Benedict, CBS LA.
And more on this now.